Alright, so what you're going to need is the crescent rolls, any kind work, some kind of cheese, I had Fiesta on hand, and then your toppings. Then a container to cook it in. Alright, so I have fun opening these all the time. Sometimes they pop and sometimes they don't. And this one's gonna... I'm not sure. There it goes. Alright, also, don't forget you're gonna need sauce, any kind of tomato sauce, and you're gonna need some scissors because I'm gonna cut the dough into little pieces. Alright, so let's get started on cutting the dough up. Big, small pieces, doesn't matter. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna do the second one now. Let's see if it pops for me. Alright, it's not doing anything again. Okay. Now what? Alright, I'm gonna hit it against the counter. That sometimes works. Nope, not gonna work. Okay, what else do I have? I have my fingernail, maybe? Maybe I can peel it off a little bit more. Pop it open with my fingers? Okay, I'm gonna use scissors. Let's give that a try. Okay, the struggle is real, guys. This is not working either. Alright, there we go. I got a hole. And is it gonna pop open? Nope. Okay, gonna do a little bit more. These scissors are pretty clean. I could just cut the dough with them. Yay! Alright, so go ahead and start cutting the second one into little pieces. This time I got a little lazy. I started cutting them into big chunks. Alright, success. Okay, next you're going to put your sauce all over the top of it. This is a super easy recipe. You kind of can't mess up. Here's a question for you guys. Do you guys do cheese first or your toppings first? Like, that is a constant argument in my family, that I've always done cheese and then the pepperonis on top, but my husband has always done pepperonis or the toppings underneath and the cheese on top because he wants the cheese to be golden brown. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments. Alright, so this is way too tempting. I gotta try some. I love putting pepperoni and the dough and the sauce in like a mini bite. Oh, that's so good. Alright, so now you're going to grab your cheese, any kind. Obviously, I would normally use mozzarella for a pizza, but all I had on was Fiesta cheese, and we've done this before when we made like bagel bites and stuff. So this will work. It'll taste good. Alright, it's time to go into the oven. It's going to be on 350, my oven, and I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes first, and then possibly up to 20 to 30 more minutes. Ah, a spider came and attacked my camera. Alright, I'm going to check it real... Why did I get a spoon? Alright, I'm going to check it real quick and see if it's done. It is just too tempting. I'm going to take a little bite too. It looks very doughy, but I'm sure it's going to taste amazing still. Yeah, it's really good. Yep, we got to do some quality control checking. Back into the oven you go. So now it's been like another 10-15 minutes, and I just kind of keep peeking in, and I think it's done now. I'm looking for the dough to be more like a baked consistency even under the toppings. Yep, I think it's ready. I'm gonna start serving it out. I'm gonna get some 3 plates for my boys first, and then I'm gonna have some probably out of the pan. My kids like to eat pizza with ranch, so I'll probably give them a little side of ranch, but it honestly doesn't need it. It tasted amazing. This is so easy, guys. You should definitely give this one a try. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.